Hello YouTube, Nick the Human here, and this is Season 1, Episode 1. Yeah, and it's my first night, well, almost my first night. So, I need some more wood to make another sword. Totally dead. You want to get this quickly? Do what I need? No. I don't need falls on the other side too. Come on. The moon is rising. The sun is setting. Come on. Yay. Okay. Bye-bye. Zombie. Okay, I am safe in my house. I am never going out on it. Never. Well, unless I have to. But that will never happen. Oh well. I'll eat something like this. Oops. Let's see. Do I have any wool? No. Okay. Zombie? Okay, still here. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh gosh. Hello, Skelly. Hi. Oh, I see a friend. Okay, I think it's like you two die and I live. Okay? Oh gosh. I think we're gonna play a different game. And it's called I Die and You Live. I don't really like you guys' game. Come on, I need to eat this. Yeah, I'm eating. Now I should be cleaning my house. There we go. Oh no, I'm going to get bone meal. And I am going to do something awesome. Does it even work on survival? Yes, it does. Or it's supposed to at least. Maybe try this here. Nothing can be in its way. It needs elbow room. There we go. Does that have elbow room? Yep. Okay, I have a mushroom. A huge one. In my backyard. Well, front yard. Yay! Okay, now. Ooh, I know something entertaining. I can put a pumpkin on my head. Yay! Okay, that was enough entertainment. How to get rid of all of this snow? Snow is ugly. Snow is ugly. I like having a green carpet. Oh, green carpet, yeah. Green carpet. Oh. Wow. So I don't know what to do now because there's lots of piggies outside, but then there's lots of mobs. Well, yeah, there's some mobs outside. Oh yeah. Wait. No. I thought that was a zombie. Oh my god. Okay, I thought I had some coal, but it turns out I don't. Just a mistake with this full of coal. if I get some coal or wool, I can dye it red, and then I can place red stuff around. Yay! Red, red, red! Yay! Yeah, let's put it over there. I'm sorry if I think this is boring, but yeah, I usually play on peaceful mode, so I don't really like mobs. Ooh, rake. My mushroom. No, my mushroom. How will I ever rebuild it? I can't. Ooh, I want to break it again. No, I can't do that. Can you get the material from that? If you pick up anything, I don't know. Okay, well. Okay, so I think I'm going to go exploring. Whee! Explore. Skeleton. Explored. Yay. Yay, I explored. Yay. Okay. So, I have a giant mushroom right there. I think I'm going to go into the giant mushroom right here. Okay, this is not oh, that there. Okay. Let's see now. What should I do? There's nothing to do. Okay, well, it's almost turning to daytime. I think when it turns to daytime, I'm going to end this video. I know it was very boring, but yeah, I'm sorry, I'm not used to this. I'll turn it to easy, but I don't like anything above easy. Gosh, Piggy, still my home. Oh gosh, stuck his head through. Oh, you can come in. Okay, good. It's another survivor. If only I had a saddle, but I don't. Or should I did? Oh no, this is on. I mean, skeleton. Whatever. Okay, Piggy, you're in. Okay. Eat this. Oh, pig. Eat this. Eat it. Eat this. Come on, eat it. No, eat it. Eat the mushroom. Eat the mushroom. Come on. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. Oh, well, it's starting to turn daytime. So, Piggy, go. Go, Piggy. Okay, so I guess this is goodbye. Bye-bye.